We at Nemo Arms have meticulously crafted the much anticipated Monark pistol. Our creative design and features have made it competition ready. With a CNC machine trigger bar, adjustable back straps and grips, an overall travel trigger adjustment, flared magwell, a precision armbar cut with no flex, and it fits comfortably in your hands. Because all good things come to those who wait, we are in an extensive process to ensure our pistol has spent time through destructive, functional, and reliability testing. Each component of our pistol is manufactured in-house, which gives us 100% control over the quality and cost while overseeing its creation every step of the way. Because we want to be 100% certain we are ready to put it in your hands. The Monark pistol by Nemo Arms, a unique firearm that will make you say, it was worth the wait.